My name is Dixon Joroge. I'm an international customer service manager with more than 5 years of experience in customer service. I want to share with you where to enroll and become an expert like me. I started my training at Finstock Evarsity College. Finstock Evarsity College is an online college that provides online courses internationally. They offer courses ranging from free courses, short courses, certificates, diplomas to degrees globally. With Finstock Evarsity online customer service training course, you can learn the fundamental elements of customer service, understand how they can be applied in any organization, and discover how a business can develop its customer service program to the highest level. These courses will be of great interest to retail staff, hospitality workers, and public servants who want to improve their provision of friendly and effective customer service. So go ahead and give your career in expert customer service a solid boost by accessing professional and helpful learning from Finstock Evarsity College today. For more information, visit our website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call us at 0703 313 722 or email us at info@finstockevarsity.com. Don't get left behind. Enroll and become an expert in customer care just like me. Finstock Evarsity, e-learning excellence.